Clean air starts with smart design. In industrial ventilation, ductwork plays a critical role in ensuring efficient, safe, and compliant air pollution control. Duct system design refers to how we plan, size, and configure the ducting that conveys contaminated air from the source to the collection device. A well-designed duct system helps maintain proper airflow, minimizes energy loss, and ensures safe transport of particulates.
Duct velocity is key, depending on the contaminant type, dust, smoke, mist. The duct must maintain specific speeds to carry materials effectively. For example, fine dust requires at least 3,000 FTOT min, while heavy or moist dusts may need over 4,500 FTOT min. Airflow must remain smooth. Elbows should have a radius of 1.5 times the duct diameter. Branch entries should be angled between 30 degrees and 45 degrees, entering the side of the main duct to reduce turbulence and energy loss. Poor duct design can result in clogging, low capture efficiency, and higher operational costs. Avoid sharp turns, undersized ducts, and excessive branch entries. Always size for proper transport velocity and balance the system.
At Kogi Environmental Solutions, our experts design and retrofit duct systems tailored to your facility's needs. Whether you're upgrading, expanding, or building new, our team is here to support your air quality goals. Ready to optimize your duct system? Contact Kogi Environmental Solutions today. Let's build a cleaner, safer environment together.